we wanted whatever their age was. And now that we have, yeah, and so it went from 1 all the way up to their age. And yeah, so the homework will just be from the book again. And it'll be called moon weight program. And so it'll just be the moon weight thing that we did earlier. And but this time, instead of like asking for the person's age, you have to create a program that uses the read line function. So just so you have the moon weight program, I'll create a new file and I'll write the program for you. I'll write the first thing for you. So this is the moon weight program, or the moon weight function, but this one is with parameters. So for the homework, you'll have to do the same thing, except you don't use parameters. You'll have to use read line, like we did here, and you'll have to use the read line thing again, like we did here. So the way we do it without a function is, or no, with a function, but with parameters, is we'll just ask for the person's, or it's not age, it's weight. And then it'll ask for how much they gain each year. And it'll ask for for how many years will they visit the moon. And so keep in mind, this is how to do the homework, but this is with parameters. But you'll have to do the same thing, except you can't use parameters. You'll have to use read line. Yeah, so yes. So first we'll take their weight and we'll add the gained weight to the old weight. Or we'll have to put in a loop because we want to do it like every time, over and over again. So I put years plus 1 because that's, yeah, so because here it takes the person how many years they're going to visit the moon, and then it adds 1 to it. So because if years were a number, like for example, if it were the number 10, it will only go through 1 through 9. So I have to add 1 more so that it can include the number 10 as well, or any other number. So first in the loop, we'll add. So each year we gain a certain number of weight, and it'll take that weight, or it'll take how much we gain and then add that to our original weight, and then we'll take the new weight and we'll multiply the new weight, because I said in the homework that it's just 0.165 of your regular weight on the your weight on the moon is just 0.165 of your regular weight. So first, each time it'll take your weight, then it'll add how much you gain each year, then it'll take that new weight and multiply it by this number. So if I weighed like 70 kilograms, it'll take 70 kilograms, then it'll add 3, let's say I gain 3 kilograms a year, it'll add 3, and so 70 plus 3 will be 73, and then it'll take 73 and multiply by this number. And it'll keep doing this over and over again until I get to years, whatever, how many years it is. And yeah, so then after it multiplies that weight, so this gives you your moon weight. So now that we have the moon weight, we want to print out whatever it is. So year blank, you weigh blank kilos. And then in the blank, I want to tell Python that I want to put I want to put X and then the weight, the moon weight. Yeah, and so this is the function now. And so basically, Tom, for homework, you will do the same thing, but instead of writing parameters, you will use the read line function, which is sys. So I'll put a comment in here for you to look at. So if you're struggling on the homework, just look at this thing that I just wrote. So after you write typing, then take the number